Okay, we're gonna pull the cover off. Let's see how much oil's in here, or see if it was all used on the lubing the brakes. Let's see what happens here. There's a little bit here, so didn't lube the brakes too much. Cool. Don't smell burnt, so that's a good thing. But I'm trying to do this without getting the camera dirty. There we go. All right. Then you see right there that pin. I'm going to put the car in neutral and turn this around so I can get. There's going to be a screw on the other side to take the pin out so I can get to the seat clips. Let me go ahead and do that. I'll get back to it again. Okay, this screw here is what we got to take out. I'm gonna take it out and remove the pin, and then I got to turn it. You see, and I'll get to the clips. But let me take the screw out. Okay, we got the screw out right there. Now this pin should come out. I should get a magnet to get it, but I'm gonna use my finger. There we go. Pull it out. Set it right here with the rest of my bolts. Now let me turn it. If I can get it to line up to where I'll show you where the C-clips are. Don't want to mess with spider gears. Look at that one starting to come out. There we go. Keep them in there. That should be good enough. What I gotta do, I need to get my magnet really. But right here, if y'all can see, let me get my screwdriver as a pointer. And with that axle out to get that clip, but we're gonna do this side first, just so you can see what we gotta do. Let's see if I can. There, I pushed it forward. Now let me go get a magnet so I can get this clip out and I'll come back to y'all. Okay, now we got the C-clip. That's what this goes in there. It goes in this little section there and you pull it out, which I just did. Alright, I'll do the other one later, but now I'll show you the axle. I'm gonna get out from underneath this thing, which I pushed a little bit, so it should, yeah, there's coming out. Set you up right here if you can see. I need to get tripods, all that stuff. Right now I'm just using the base that GoPro came in. There we go. You see all that oil down there? All that gear oil. Wow, that's nasty. We'll check out the bearings, make sure they're still good. It doesn't have no vibration or nothing. I just run my finger along the shaft. Yeah, that feels good. I just polish it out a little bit, clean it up, degrease it, degrease all this. Now I gotta get something to collect this great oil dripping, so let me get onto that and we'll come back. Okay, now we gotta get the seal off. Now you gotta use your weapon of choice. Big screwdriver, medium screwdriver. What you can do is just go onto the edge here and just kind of push it back. Don't go into the surface and scratch it up. You end up causing more leaks. So you're gonna have to beat it down just so you can get it loosened up so you can pry it out. I'm gonna try to record it as I do it. I'm not gonna promise y'all nothing. Let's see how it rolls. I mean, it's not really that difficult. You just gotta get to it. But man, look at how nasty that is. Let's see what I can do here. Hopefully I got y'all stabilized there. I'm gonna try the big one first. Try to work it all the way around as much as you can to get under the lip there. That might have moved it out a little bit for the literal one. There we go. It's starting to pry it a little bit. Keep working it around. This was a booger, but oh yeah, you see how it's all Loctite silicone in there from the factory. But that's what we got out. Now I'm gonna do the other side, check the bearings, see how they look. They don't look too bad. I clean them up, grease them back, oil them back up when we get new oil and stuff for it. See what happens. Okay, back. You see I took all the emergency brakes off, cleaned everything up on them. Look at all that gunk. Got it all wiped down here. Now what I'm gonna end up doing is got a new seal. I'm gonna end up putting that back on there, assembling the emergency brake stuff back on, and go from there. I'll show you how to do a seal, and then I'm just gonna shut it off so I can finish the rest of this. But let me set you up here somehow. Hopefully you can still see right there. Move that axle out the way. Look at this. Put it on there. What I like to try to do is tap in the center. Get it started. Trying to make it where y'all can see. I guess it don't matter. Take it down there. Solid all the way around. Alright, well let me put the rest of this stuff together, because I gotta fight all this. Okay, I'm back. I had I guess battery went dead on the GoPro. So last thing you saw me, I was putting these clips on, or pads. Got the clips put back on. I'm gonna ratchet this to put the tightness. When I'm gonna put this back on, I got this all cleaned up, all wiped down on the inside. So let's see. Let me put it on there, see what it does. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice and tight, so I might have to adjust the screw right here. It's a little too loose to my likings, so I'll go back the other way. It's a little bit still loose. So what you just saw me do, I'm gonna finish doing that. Then I got that clean, but I gotta take this one apart and do exactly what I did on the other side. Which you take the two clips out, one here, take the spring out of the bottom, your little ratcheting gizmo there, and then pull these apart, degrease the crud off of it, clean it up real good, and assemble it back on there. And then you got the other brake pads that are still in the caliper there. I'll put those on, and let me go ahead and do that. The sun's out, it is hot and humid, so I want to finish this up before I burn up. I'll get back with it when we go to put gear oil in the rear end. But let me go ahead and finish doing what I'm doing on the other side. I got the cover back on, the axles back in. It's about to rain, so I didn't video none of that. Bolts torqued down to 32 inch-pounds. Plug right here I'm taking off so I can fill it up. I don't know if you can see it or not, I can pretty tell. There's a little fill plug. You fill it up till it starts coming out and you're full. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing right now. I'm taking that plug off of the front of the diff so I can fill it up. Alright, got the fluid in the truck. Tires back on. I'm gonna drive around and break in the brakes now. But battery went dead, so let me charge up the battery. That's it for this video. We'll try come up with another video, let them get the charger going, charge it, run it. But we'll see what happens in the next video.